Most pregnant women increase their iron eating in the run-up to giving birth. However, some would think of hitting the gym. But Meghan Umphres Leatherman, 33, is not most women. Actually, she went on with her punishing CrossFit regime all through her entire pregnancy. She was even lifting weights up until 48 hours before her due date when she was 1 centimeter dilated. Meghan was very devoted to her punishing CrossFit regime that brings together cardio activities, weightlifting and gymnastics, which she also lifted weights on the day she went into labor and shattered records in the last days of her pregnancy. In addition to heading to the gym 5 times every week, she continued to walk her dog for 3 miles each day and go on a 4-mile hike every week through the mountains. However, far from doing her first child damage or herself, Meghan, a marketing and communications consultant, insists that both are in good health for it, and her pregnancy was in fact easier. Currently, she is settling into life as a mother after delivering on May 3 a 6 pounds, 11 ounces daughter Florence Germain, who was born after 4 hours of contractions. However, she is planning to hit the gym again in a few weeks' time. Meghan, who in the last 4 years has had 8 half marathons and a marathon, says that weightlifting staved off morning sickness. She says that her pregnancy hormones, in fact, made it effortless for her to lift weights, and at week 40 she was recording new records. A few days before her due date, she set new personal records, weightlifting 216 pounds deadlifts. Lifting weights in pregnancy has come under harsh condemnation in latest months after fellow American Leanne Ellison was pictured weightlifting at 8.5 months. However, Meghan says that she finds it humorous when people criticize pregnant CrossFit, and says that medics have encouraged her to stay active. She also adds that a woman must not be criticized for attempting to be healthy and active as it helped her have an easier pregnancy and birth. Meghan is even performing 165-pound squats and 110-pound push presses and saw her strength and energy levels rise as her due date approached closer.